How to add page numbers in Google Docs. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to come to the Google Docs official website and click on blank documents to start a new document. And after coming here, you just have to double click on your document, like on the mouse, double click on left cursor, and after that you can see there's a option popped up like header, different, first page, and the options. You just have to simply click on the options and click on the page numbers option, and here you can see where exactly would you like to be the page numbers position. So if you want to see the page numbers in header, you can just click on header. If you want to see the page numbers in footer, you can click on footer. So I'll go with footer like this one, and for the numbering you can start at any number you want to pick, and I'll just keep it like this, like the 1, and click on apply. And here you can see on the page, first page, there is the page number of mine, and if I come to the last of my document page and open a second document, as you can see automatically it's been added the page number like 2, and if we go to the another page, and the other page will automatically marked as page number 3. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.